Welcome to this beautiful 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, fully furnished condo in Story Lake near Disney. Perfect for short-term rentals or to have as a vacation home, you'll fall in love with what this unit offers. Some of the features include a spacious great room, generously sized bedrooms, an oversized kitchen island, tons of kitchen cabinet space, an enormous balcony, and many modern upgrades such as black stainless steel GE appliances, quartz countertops, upgraded lighting, and feature walls throughout. The community has tons of amenities as well, such as 3 resort-style pools, a lazy river, an 18-hole mini golf course, water slides, a volleyball court, a fitness center, basketball hoops, and more. This listing won't last long, so give us a call today.